What do you think is the most precious asset in the world? Is it money, family, relationship? It's time. Time is one thing we all have, but we all struggle with it. Managing time means managing yourself. So in this video, let me tell you 5 things that you can use to manage your own time. But before we deep dive into this, let's all follow a simple exercise. Say out loud, I am in control of my own time. Alright, so let's go. Before you start your day, create a to-do list. Take a diary or a notepad and write all the things you want to do. Next, for all the tasks, write the estimated time required for completing those tasks. What is daily highlight of the day? This is the single most important task in your today's to-do list, which if it gets completed, will make your day a successful day. Start prioritizing your task using urgency importance matrix. On the top of the chain comes the tasks which are most urgent and important at the same time. These are tasks with clear deadlines and there are consequences for not completing those tasks. Example, finishing a client project or sending an email to your manager. The second block is of not urgent and important tasks. These are activities without a set deadline that brings you closer to your goals, but they are easy to procrastinate on. Examples of such tasks are strategic planning, professional development, networking, and some exercise goals. The third block consists of urgent and not important tasks. These tasks are the tasks which you can delegate. These things that need to be done but do not require your specific skills. Example, meal preparation, house cleaning, or website development. The fourth chain is of not urgent and not important tasks. These are just the distractions that are making you feel worse afterwards. You can work on these tasks, but only to be done in moderation. Example, spending your time on social media, watching Netflix, or video games. Now you have your task list with your urgency and important metrics. Now is the time to block your calendar. These are the tasks which you can fit in your calendar from your to-do list. For this, you can use any calendar app like Google Calendar or iOS or Android default calendar or any third-party app. The last thing which I would like to recommend you is to avoid distractions. Learn to say no. If you wish to save your precious time, try creating distraction-free environments. When you are working on your scheduled task, stay away from distractions like stay away from phones, stay away from social media. Stop taking calls from your family and friends which are not important. Hope you will follow these 5 principles to add more time in your busy schedule. Thank you.